FRMI stock analysis price predictions news. In this quick short 1-minute video, I will show you exactly how I will trade and analyze. I'm the only person in the stock trading space actually having done 47,000 videos over 5 years. I've documented them all. And as I'm just observing FRMI, I've updated it yesterday, and I'm so fine I did. Like, so because I'm happy I did it, because this is still a bullish range for me. And from the bullish ranges, I look for a confirmation so I can buy, right? I just moved a little bit to the downside because we finally started accumulating. I mean, if we do, it would be nice. But all I'm certainly doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules to be made in order for me to move forward. Guess what, man? Unless rules are met and there's a proper double break, I'm not going to be looking to buy. There you go, one receipt in the Discord. So if you want to stay tuned, want to get free stock picks, emails, and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.